What is up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Man. In this video, let me guide you on how you can use Roblox Account Manager. First thing you need to do is go to this link. Over here, you can type this one on your browser. Then scroll down to see this download button over here. Click on that. Then after downloading it to your local drive, just right-click on the downloaded file. Then click Extract here. Then it will look like this. Click on this extracted folder, then click on the application, and this prompt will show up. This will just ask how you want your data to be secured. On my end, I will click password lock and input my password here, and click continue and confirm your password by retyping it. After that, it will show you this one. Over here at the bottom part of this prompt, click add account and it will load up Roblox, and you will need to log in your account over here. After that, it will appear over here. If you wish to add another account, you can just repeat the process. If you want to join a server with your multiple accounts, just click all the accounts over here and paste the current place ID of the server you want to join. To get the place ID, just go to the game you want to join. Then on this link, you will see these numbers in between this slash. Copy that and paste it here, and you can now join the server. Well, that's it for today's video. For more videos like this, make sure to click subscribe. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you next time!